नई टीम्स आई हैं, सब कुछ मतलब आईपीएल इससे काफ़ी हम बहुत कुछ एक्सपेक्ट करें, तो आपका क्या कहना है इस पर?
See, obviously, IPL has always been a very great tournament, for youngsters, for people like us, who played the game for more than 15 years. It brings a lot of things together, and yes, it's going to be a very exciting season ahead, and we are all looking forward to it.
मुंबई इंडियन इज द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट, बट अपने अलावा आप कौन सी टीम को सबसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग मानते हैं?
Well, we are defending champion, and we just need to play well, and hopefully we can continue with the same thing what we did in the last year. And of course, every team is a strong team in this competition. We need to take one game at a time, and I'm sure all the teams are looking forward for this competition, and we just need to play to our potential, and hopefully we can do the things right for us.
Harbhajan, a word on the drought controversy, because IPL is being held in Maharashtra, and there has also been a petition in the High Court about this entire issue, because the state is reeling under drought.
Well, as I just heard from IPL Governing Council's chairman, that they have said they will fully cooperate with the government and the people of Maharashtra, and we are definitely there to support and be there for the people. We are like them, they are like us. We are part of them. We are part of the society. So whatever is the top officials or top parent associations, the parents body will tell us to do, we are ready to do that, and will not let people affect because of us.
महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट ने भी कह दिया है कि आईपीएल के लिए हम पानी सप्लाई नहीं करेंगे, अगर जो आईपीएल के वेन्यू चेंजेस होने हैं तो होने दीजिए।
ये देखिए, जो गवर्नमेंट कहेगी, जो हमारे ऑफिशियल्स जो हमें गाइड जैसे करेंगे, हम वी आर रेडी टू डू दैट वे. सो वी आर ऑल देयर टू be with everyone, with each and every Indian, and will definitely do the needful whatever is required from player side of.
भाजी, रिलेशनशिप क्या क्रिकेट पे इफेक्ट पड़ता है, किसी के रिलेशनशिप को पर्सनल
क्रिकेटर की लाइफ में
एक
कभी इफेक्ट
cricketer
पड़ता
का relationship, do you think it affects his game?
है, his performance?
His performance?
Not at all. It's up to the individuals. Some people like to have their family around, and it makes them do really well on the field. So it's up to the individuals. And why not? All of us, we stay a lot of time out of our houses, and it's nice to have your family around and getting the support you require in your goods and your bad. So you need your family around. So it's good to have family coming there, staying with you, and supporting you all the way.
So do you think Virat Anushka matters been stretched a lot because of?
Well, all I want to say that that's their private life, and I would like to respect their privacy, and would request media to stay away from their life and let them live their life. And I don't know what are they doing with their life. So every individual have the right to live their own life. So let's respect their private privacy, and let them be happy the way they want to.
Thank you.